Let me start from something real. When people talk about AI saving time, they usually mean faster outputs. But for me, the real problem was never speed. It was inconsistency. Same task, same goal. But every time, slightly different results, different structure, different logic. And when your work depends on consistency, content, research, client deliverables, that becomes a serious problem. In every video here on AI Border, 2 random viewers who leave a comment below will win a pro account of this very tool. So make sure to drop a comment, share your thoughts, or even just an emoji, because the next winner might be you. Let's jump into the video. Most of my work follows SOP, not written ones, mental ones. For example, when I analyze a tool or prepare a sponsored video or build a research breakdown, the steps are almost identical every time, but AI doesn't remember how I work. That's when I realized AI doesn't scale knowledge by default. It only scales output. This is where Manus Skills clicked for me. A skill is not a better prompt. It's a packaged process, meaning the sequence of steps, the decision logic, the structure, and the expected output format, all preserved as a reusable unit. So instead of asking AI to think again, I let it execute a known workflow. Inside Manus, I type something and open Manage Skills. What I'm looking at here is not features, it's a library of operational memory. Each skill represents a workflow I don't want to rethink. The most important skill here is the official one, Skill Creator. This is what turns a successful task into a standardized capability. After you finish a task, Skill Creator analyzes how the task evolved, what tools were used, how instructions were refined, what the final structure looked like. Then it packages all of that into a skill. No terminal, no manual configuration. Let me show you a real example. I often do competitor research for AItools. The task is always the same. Identify direct competitors, compare positioning, extract differentiators, summarize everything in a clean, client-ready format. Normally, this takes time, and repeating it increases inconsistency. So I ran this workflow once manually in Manus. I refined the logic, adjusted the depth, standardized the output. Once I was happy with the result, I stopped and used Skill Creator. Manus turned that entire process into a reusable research skill. What matters here is not automation, it's reproducibility. Same depth, same structure, every time. Now in a new session, I run the same skill with a different input, different company, same workflow, and the output is immediately usable. This is when you stop working with AI and start operating with AI. Where skills really become powerful is when you combine them. For example, market research skill, brand messaging skill, content or website generation skill. Each skill solves one defined problem. Together they form an end-to-end workflow. This is exactly what composability means. From a business perspective, this matters because it means fewer revisions, less mental load, predictable quality. You're not just saving time, you're reducing operational cost. And if you sell your work, this directly affects margins. Manus Skills doesn't replace thinking, it preserves it. You do the thinking once, then let the system handle repetition. That's the real efficiency gain. If your work involves complex steps or decisions you don't want to repeat every day, skills make a lot of sense. Links are in the description. And if you want, I can share one of my actual skills so you can see how it's structured.